everyone, this is Sakura Yubi. Today I'm going to show you my favorite way of making caprese salad. The secret of this recipe is that I use Shio Koji instead of salt. This will give this dish a little bit of umami and sweetness. And because Shio Koji is a fermented food, it's good for your gut. So let's get started. First, slice up tomatoes and mozzarella cheese into bite-sized pieces. Then lay these slices along with basil leaves alternatingly on a plate. Okay, let's make the dressing. In a small bowl, add Shio Koji. If you're new to my channel and wondering what Shio Koji is, check the link in the description to my video called What is Shio Koji. It's a wonderful Japanese fermented seasoning. Then add olive oil. This is optional, but I sometimes like to add some acid like lemon juice like I'm doing here, or balsamic vinegar. Stir this mixture and then pour it over the salad. Sprinkle some ground black pepper and we're done. It's so delicious. Shio Koji adds so much depth to the flavor of this dish. And it's easy to make and healthy. And I make this dish all the time. We love it. And I really hope that you will try this too. And that is it for today. Check out sakurayubi.com for the ingredient amounts. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe. It will mean the world to me. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!